what makes this so incredible and the plant's so amazing, and I'm sure most of the folks in the audience have had a drink now and then. Some people may like gin, they may like vodka, they may like bourbon. Different people like different things for the taste it brings them. They all kind of do the same thing. They impact you very much the same way. What's amazing to me about this plant is that is not the case here. You can, and I think today it's done all anecdotally, but back to your question about research, that's going to all get much more refined. But you can find different strains of cannabis and different methods of inducing it into your body, different consumption methods that will accomplish very, very different things. So you can find a strain and a way of consuming it that will help you go to sleep at night. You can find a strain that will help with anxiety. You can find a way of consuming and a strain that will help you enjoy a concert at night, or be able to have people relax more with their partners. We have an interesting story from one of the first patients who walked in our first dispensary up in Deerfield, who happened to be a teacher in a middle school, actually an administrator, young guy, and came in and said he had been using it, illicitly, if you will, for a long time because he's super high strung, works in a very tough environment. He walks into his door at home at night, and he and his wife just fight. And when he can call a timeout, go upstairs, take a puff or two of something, it lets him calm down. It allows him to communicate better with his wife, listen to her better, and who says that isn't medicine? And that's really kind of one of the, those kinds of stories, and I think we're going to evolve to a place where people are going to be able to dial in the cannabinoid profile of what they want, how they want to use it, and be able to accomplish lots of different things. It is, in many regards, I think people will look at cannabis much like they looked at penicillin 30, 40 years ago, as a wonder drug or a wonder plant.